we're in New York. So I moved to New York, only for the month though.
That's my girl. I'll be your friend at the very end. That's my girl. I'll be your friend at the very
end. All right, we're back. So this is the setup for the next month. Bed, desk. That's all I really have, really. Showered, set up my room. We're good. That's day one in New York. We went grocery shopping. So yeah, I just did that this morning. We gotta get food now, so let's go get food. We're going for that one. Churro egg sandwich. We got it. It was 10 bucks though, so. And it comes with chips, so nice. Wow, take a look. You got the churro, ham, cheese, and egg. So, should be pretty dope. Let's see how it goes. All right, wait, phone eats first though, phone eats first. It's like the sweet with the salty, gas. And then the cheese just melts. The chips aren't like regular chip. It's like, it was cooked in like the churro oil, so it makes it have like a little hint of flavor. I'm gonna eat this and then just explore the city more. So hope you guys visit this place. Racheria. Dope. So that was Washington Square, super dope. A lot of people were like selling things at like tables. So maybe I should have bought something to support a local business, right? I probably sat there for like at least 20 minutes, just like people watching. That was dope. I'm still just walking around, seeing wherever the city takes me. Just enjoying it for what it is, you know? Spicy California roll, salmon rice, and some mango. I messed this up last time in Paris, so hopefully this one's correct. I think I'm supposed to just pull it. But see, the film's still in there. That's why I'm confused. See, now I'm just barehanding it. It's so bad, man. There was like different stuff inside. I got the salmon. This joint was like $3.50 though. It was like a all Japanese store. Japanese products. Like, I got this juice, but it's like I can't read anything on here. Look at this. All Japanese. Oh, it's good. It was like mango pulp. It's just spicy California roll, right? They said they make it fresh daily, so I hope that's true. It's always a risk with sushi, right? Yo, they hold it down over there. From my small glimpse of being here for 2 days, I think I could see myself living here. It's pretty cool. It's really nice. I think it's gonna be really expensive, but I like the whole no car, walk everywhere. I could take a bike, literally walk outside, and there's so many things to do. I'm enjoying it so far, but we're gonna keep going, eh? We're only here for 2 days, so still got a whole month ahead of us.
Hey, it's a basketball.
Who doesn't love some hoops, right? That's it. That's day 2. Just went to church, gonna go eat, go back home, shower. I've worked early tomorrow morning, so I'm not trying to be out too late. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, it's my 3rd day here. I'm working today, so I'm eating some breakfast now. After work, there's a Planet Fitness nearby, so I'm gonna go to that, go to the gym, get dinner, and that should be it. So the benefit of living in New York is that I can just walk outside anywhere and find somewhere to eat. So we're gonna go get dinner now. Let's see where we go. It's low-key like a double-edged sword. Like, I've been walking for like 40 minutes now, and it's only because there's too many places to where I can't pick what I want. How can one ever make a decision here? And I'm indecisive, so it makes it really hard. The steak salmon came with chips. That is just what I needed. Cheese melts, caramelized onion good, steak cooked to a prime, bread's crispy, solid. All right, that was Soho Park. New York strip steak, super gas. It was only 20 bucks too, because a double cheeseburger was 16, and I was like, I might as well just full send for the steak, but it's June 3rd. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Who doesn't like a good stretch, right? All right, let's go get food. All right, we're gonna get what is it called? We're gonna get Dos Toros now, which is like Chipotle. So I might try to get like a bowl or something and then bring it back, or even eat outside. But super cool. Jersey City over there is what I saw, and then Hoboken's like right there. That's Hoboken, Jersey City, New York. I'm hungry. We got it. $17. Chicken bowl and chips. This better be good. Very similar to Chipotle, but they have these chips they add to the bowl, which I think is really dope because I like a little crunch in my food. So let's see. I'll probably give it a 5 out of 10. It's pretty mid, I'm not gonna lie. Doesn't really taste like much. I still think it's Qdoba, Chipotle, this place, Dos Toros. Dos Toros, right? Yeah. Alright, that order. That's my top 3. Cava's not in the same realm, so if you were wondering, I don't think Cava's in the same industry. Alright, Dos Toro, mid. Don't really recommend. Very average. And I paid $17 for that bowl too with chips. Like, come on, man. It's such a bad play. Nico, if you watch this, come on, man. Your other recommendations in question now. But I'm here at the grocery store just gonna get some chocolate, a sweet treat to end the day. But today is Tuesday, June 4th. I'm gonna go home, edit this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.